Here I have Moto X4 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, let's unlock the list of all applications, find and select settings. Here you have to choose the language and input, it's located under personal tab. Let's choose languages from the top of the screen, and here you need to add the new language if you would like to. So let me tap add a language, and this is a list of the languages that you can use on that device. In my case, let me choose for example the Espanol. So now if you would like to use the Spanish, let's put the Espanol into the first position, and as you can see the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select configuración, scroll down and choose idiomas y entradas, tap idiomas one more time, and now let's place English into the first position. So that's it, now you can go back and start using your English version. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.